Let's do another folding on this dough. Let's see how it's looking. Got a really nice, strong window pane. I'm surprised at the development already. It's been an hour. I decided to wait an hour instead of half an hour to fold the dough because I realized that it was already so strong. I thought I'd just fold it once an hour. It's been 3 hours since we mixed, and this will be our third fold. Let's see how our window pane's doing. Really nice and strong. It needs a little bit more development though because the dough is somewhat dense. It's not real bubbly, and it could be more extensible, more stretchy. So let me go ahead and fold it again. So it's going to need some more fermenting. I'll come back and fold it in another hour. This will be our fourth fold. Let's see how our dough's doing. Feels a little more stretchy. Still don't see the bubbling, soft development that I'm looking for, though. It is more extensible than it was. It's a little easier to stretch, but it's still pretty tight. Part of that is because it is a little bit lower in hydration than I normally would do for this type of loaf. The next several folds I will be trying to fold a little more gently. I can tell that the gluten's trying to tear when I fold it. Got a room temperature of about 70 degrees. And our dough is 74 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been about 5 hours now and the dough is really feeling nice. It's full of bubbles now. It's bouncy. It's extensible. Let's pull a window pane. Very nice window pane. It's nice and strong. So I'll fold it one more time and then I'm just going to refrigerate all of it overnight without shaping it. And then I'll shape it in the morning. Dough's nice and stretchy and soft. Makes it so the dough doesn't dry out. It is 7:30 p.m. and I'll be putting it in the refrigerator overnight.